The Royal Thai Air Force has announced the purchase of SAAB JAS-39 Gripen E fighters to replace its F-16 Fighting Falcon fighters. This decision by the Royal Thai Air Force, RTAF, was unofficially announced on July 10, 2024, but the official announcement was made today. The RTAF's decision to purchase JAS-39 Gripen E fighters from Swedish aerospace and defense company SAAB is an important part of the Asian country's military modernization project for the period 2025 to 2029, as the Thai government has been working for some time to replace its F-16 fleet, which has been in service since 1988. Developed by SAAB, the JAS-39 Gripen E is expected to meet the Thai Army's modern air defense requirements and perform a variety of air missions, including air superiority and ground attack. In addition, the selection of Gripen is in line with the Thai Air Force's objective to increase interoperability with allied air forces in the region. At the same time, the Thai Ministry of Defense emphasizes that the JAS-39 Gripen is preferred due to its lower cost and durability compared to its counterparts. Prior to deciding to purchase the Gripen, the Thai Army had negotiated the purchase of the F-16 Block 70, but these negotiations were unsuccessful. Powered by General Electric's F414 turbofan engine, the Gripen EF has a maximum range of 1,300 kilometers and a maximum altitude of 15,800 meters. With the ability to carry up to 5,300 kilograms of ammunition on 8 underwing payload stations and 2 wingtip missile rails, the Gripen is expected to serve the Royal Thai Air Force for many years. The Gripen E is a multi-role combat aircraft developed by Swedish defense and aerospace company SAAB. The newest member of the Gripen family, it features advanced avionics, radar, and weapons capabilities. Gripen technical specifications: length 15.2 meters, wingspan 8.6 meters, height 4.5 meters, empty weight 8,000 kilograms, maximum takeoff weight 16,500 kilograms, engine GEF414G, American General Electric production. Top speed 2,200 kilometers per hour, Mach 2. Range 4,000 kilometers with external fuel tanks. Service altitude ceiling 16,000 meters, 50,000 feet plus. Gripen F-16 F-15, Gripen avionics and systems radar, AESA active electronically scanned array radar, avionics modern digital cockpit, multi-function displays, weapon systems, wide range of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, guided bombs, artillery and electronic warfare pods, communication data links, satellite communication systems, multi-role, can be used for air superiority, reconnaissance, ground attack and naval missions, cost effectiveness, low operating costs and high operational flexibility, advanced electronic warfare capability, modern electronic warfare and countermeasure systems, network-centric operations, integrated with other air, land, and naval assets, user countries. Countries using the Gripen E include Sweden, Brazil, and potentially Hungary. The Swedish Air Force and the Brazilian Air Force were among the first users of this aircraft.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.